How to create a Facebook page for your business 2022. Let's start.
Open your Facebook app. Go to your account. Tap on 3 horizontal lines at top right corner. Click on Page. Click on Create Page. Click on Get Started. Enter the name of your Facebook page.
Click on Next.
Add a category. This defines whether your page is a business page, a personal blog, a brand or product, etc. Select category.
Click on Next. If you have a website, you can give a link. If not, it will be fine. Click on Next. To make the page attractive, add profile picture and add cover picture, then click on Done. Here you can see your page is already created. There is still some work left to show here. You can see Edit Page option, click here. Add a description. Little describe about person, product, business you have created the Facebook page for. Add your contact number. Add your email and location. Add your work hours when opening and close. Add your price range. Click on Save Change. Now completed your Facebook business page.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends.